This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Siobhan Miller. Live on one of the best streets at the North End. Only 1 block to beach access and just steps to the state park. This no-fee condo is the perfect vacation getaway or permanent residence. Low-maintenance exterior, new privacy fence, outside shower, oversized garage, driveway parking for 4+ cars, first floor full bath and bedroom with access to private paver patio, second floor living space with beautiful hardwood floors and access to large deck, dining room with wet bar, eat-in kitchen with pantry and half bath, third floor primary bedroom suite plus additional ensuite bedroom. Don't miss this great opportunity. For more information, review the details below.